you doing? It's me, the guy you're looking at. So like, I was at the gym the other day and stuff, and this guy came up to me, started asking me weird questions. Well, like, not weird questions, but questions I didn't really know. You know, about my Catholic faith and like stuff. But anyways, they were pretty hard, like really hard. And I kind of felt bad, you know? Like, I kind of thought to myself, I gotta learn more. Like facts, straight facts. So the next time somebody asks me at the gym, I'll answer it.
Cut! Cut, everybody! That's a wrap! We did it!
Woo! Hey, can I get some water? It's kind of hot in here. It's really hot. Hey, can I get some